let's just rock through a quick playthrough of Jamaica Farewell. Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines brightly on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop around. Sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around, had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Sounds of laughter everywhere, and the dancers swinging to and fro. Must declare that my heart is there, though I've been from Maine to Mexico. And I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around, I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. And at the market you can hear ladies cry out for the hands they bear. Market rice, saltfish, and rice, and the rum is fine any time of the year. And sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around, had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. This is a slightly different arrangement by the East Lake Ukulele Players Association. It is still in C, so they are compatible. This one, though, instead of just playing C and F and G, is going to have C, C7, F, G7. Those sevens just give a little different feel to it. So I'm going to go ahead and play it, but I'm skipping the intro. Down the way where